So you have your virtual world created and you want to use this with your actors from your stage, or you want to use this with props or whatever else you have on the stage. How do you do it? It's a process called keying, where you key out the color around the actors or whatever's on the stage and replace it with the virtual world. As you can see here, I'm in a very small green screen space, but I'm going to replace all of this with my virtual world. And we'll use the one that we created in Blender. It is not a good example, mind you. We only did that earlier so that you can see the process, but you're going to see how this works. So first of all, I use what's called a garbage mat. I basically mat out everything around the green screen, so it's just me and the green screen. Okay, then what I do is I key out the green. And I'm in a void. Now you can do this with Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and you can also do this with DaVinci Resolve Fusion by using nodes. Okay, so now what? Well, now we add the virtual world that we created in Blender, or if we purchased it from a site, or however it was made in Maya, we use that. We layer it in, and there you go. Now it could be anything that you have out there. The free images on HDRI Haven, you could use that and replace this with this. So the possibilities are just, I keep saying possibilities are endless because it truly is. So this is just a short example of how this works. Now I'm going to show you how you key items in Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and Fusion 17.